Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. In this lesson we're going to get the last of the variables in place, and these variables are going to be so we can assign textures and skins to the GUI script. So I'm going to start here just below where we created the private vector2, and we'll begin inputting the variables. Now these all need to be of type public and of type texture 2D. The first one will be underscore background texture, and we'll close the line off and into the comments. So we'll say creates slot in inspector to assign background texture. And what this variable is going to be for is so we can assign a slightly dark texture that's going to sit behind each of the stat boxes on screen. And the next one, public again, of texture 2D. And this one we'll call underscore stat bar min texture. We'll close the line off into the comments again. So create slot in inspector to assign stat bar min texture. So, for example, we'll have a dark texture behind our health, then we'll have a red texture for when the health is full, but obviously we want that texture to become white as the red creeps down as our health goes down. And we'll come here and public texture 2D again, and this time we'll say underscore, and we want the health bar max texture. We'll close the line off and into the comments. So again, it's create slot in inspector to assign health max texture. And I'm sure you've all guessed, this is for the actual texture for the health itself. So we'll just copy this and we'll just paste it in 4 more times, and then we'll just swap out the naming convention. So there's 3 and finally 4. And we'll just come to the one below, and this time we'll change it to hunger, and we'll change the comment. We'll just keep going for the hydration, and we'll change the comment as well. I'll just bring it back into line, and we just need to do it twice more. So the next one's for the stamina, change the comment, and finally for the battery, and we'll change the comment here. And we have one less variable to get in place. So we'll say public GUI Skin. So capital GUI capital S underscore, and we'll say my GUI health style, and we'll close the line off into the comments, and again it's create slot in inspector to assign our own GUI style. And we'll just save that off there. And we'll come to the FPS controller. Make sure you have your script assigned here. And we'll come to the console. Now don't worry about any yellow errors. That's simply because we have a lot of variables that we are not using as of yet. So let's go through this. We define the size of our texture for each GUI, which is 150 by 15. We have a background texture that allows us to assign a dark texture that will sit behind each GUI. This is for when the health, hunger, hydration, whatever becomes empty. We have our max textures, which I'm sure are pretty self-explanatory, and a GUI skin, and this is because I'm going to have what each stat is written on the GUI itself. So health will have health written in, hunger the same, and so on. And during the course of this series, I'm going to show you how to create a GUI skin as we come towards completing this script. So in the next lesson, we will begin filling out the rest of the script. We are done with the variables for now. And as I've said in the previous videos, please do not worry if you do not understand how any of these variables work. I will explain how they all work as we fill out the rest of the script. So now we have all our variables in place, I think this is a good time to end this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you next time. And until then, bye for now.